This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. A UK construction company encountered a severe data security breach when a successful phishing attack led to unauthorized access to their network, impacting approximately 113,000 individuals, including sensitive and special category data. The breach, detected in 2020, was caused by outdated systems and insufficient security protocols. The company's information security team had established an information security policy framework for the company in 2016, which included in-depth policies aimed at securing customer data. The company's failure to adhere to established security policies and standards, despite having robust security tools in place, resulted in a breach with extensive scope. The UK regulator imposed a substantial fine of £4,400,000, considering the scale of the infringement, the negligent character of the breach, the duration of non-compliance, the potential harm to the individuals affected, the company's size, and the volume of compromised data, among other factors. The company cooperated with the investigation and took significant post-incident remedial measures to enhance its cybersecurity posture, which were factored into the final penalty decision. Please visit our website at governorstow.com for more information or to sign up to our weekly newsletter or, if you prefer, follow Governor Stow on LinkedIn, YouTube, X, and Instagram.